Hi guys, John here over at Byrider Green Bay, back again with another quick video for you. This one we're going to be talking about some service issues your car might be going through because of the season we're in, which is now summer. Today I'm recording this July 5th. I just got back from 4th of July and it's starting to get warm out. I don't know if you know that or not, but in Wisconsin especially, since we're in a place where we get all four seasons pretty hard and we have a decent amount of fluctuation, weather can affect your vehicle in a lot of really different ways. For instance, in the summer, in the evening, it might be kind of cool out, might be kind of nice, and then during the day, it gets really, really hot. That can do some stuff to your tire pressure, believe it or not. So your tire pressure fluctuates depending on the temperature and the air pressure, all kinds of stuff. So you want to make sure your tire pressure is good, because if it's not where it's supposed to be, it's more likely to fluctuate. So check your tire pressure weekly, preferably. Some vehicles have it so you can just go in and look at it on the dashboard. Some of them you might have to get out and actually check your tire manually. But it's really important to do to make sure your tires are going to be safe. Improper tire pressure can cause a few different issues, like tire burst, which is never good. So if you have any questions about anything service related, feel free to give us a call. We would love to see if we can help you out and get you going on anything you might have. And just, enjoy your summer. I really hope you guys have a really great day, and thanks again. Our number here is 920-455-7788. Give me a call with any questions you may have.